In today's video, we're gonna create this slideshow effect for free in free Davinci Resolve, but in Fusion. But don't worry, I've created already 90% of work, so you can download it from the link in the description. And right now, I'm gonna show you a couple of steps how to implement it. It's really easy, even if you're a total beginner in Fusion. If you're new on my channel, my name is Adrian, and in here I teach editing, color grading, shooting, and effects. So tap subscribe if you haven't already. And now let's begin. Okay, so we got two clips, two photos in the timeline. First, what you need to do is to set the length of it. So right click, change clip duration, and you can choose the predefined preset. Let me choose 5 seconds, change, and same for the second one. Right click, change clip duration, 5 seconds. Okay, as you see, photos are in different aspect ratios. So in my case, I need to correct that. In the inspector, I will increase the zoom and position, maybe like that. And the second one, okay. Now it's nicely covering my Canva. And what you want to do now is right click on the photo, on the clip, and choose new compound clip. Because if you don't do that, in Fusion page you will still see the old aspect ratio. Of course, you can modify it in Fusion as well, but I don't want to overcomplicate this tutorial. This is for beginners, step by step. So you can create new compound clip, and right now this zoom, position, and aspect ratio will be the same in Fusion page. So let me do the same for the second clip, new compound clip, and we're good. So we got two clips, and now we can switch to Fusion page. So first, what you need to do is to download my ready-to-use Fusion composition. Open it with any text editor. Let me open it with a Notepad, for example. Copy the whole content, so Ctrl-A, Ctrl-C, and paste it in the Notes panel. So click somewhere here and Ctrl-V. Okay, let me zoom out a bit the Notes panel so we can see everything. So this is my ready-to-use composition. And what you need to do now is take the media out. So hold Shift and drag it away like that so it's disconnected. And put it here because you need to connect it with our slideshow Fusion composition. So simply drag the square output of this group node to this yellow triangle to connect it like so. And the next step you need to do is to take your media in that was already there when we opened Fusion page, and connect the output to each yellow triangle. So simply drag and drop it to this one, then this one, and so on. Let me fast forward it for you. So this is how it looks. We've imported this Fusion composition by copy pasting it to this Notes panel. Then we've connected the media out, and we've connected also the media in, as I told you. Now, this is important. Place the playhead at the end of the clip. And now what you need to do, by the way, to zoom in and out the Notes panel, hold Ctrl key and scroll with the mouse. So what you need to do now is correct each polygon node. This is very simple. Let me select the first one, and I will switch to single preview mode. So click this button. Okay, let me make it bigger for you, like so. Okay, so select the first polygon, and simply you need to select the first object. Usually it's better to start with objects that are closer to the camera or that are most obvious, and finish with the sky or generally with the background. So with the first polygon selected, I will maybe select this church. You don't need to be super precise. So this is my first object selected. Then select the second polygon going from left to right, right? That's also important. You go from left to right. So now the second polygon, and I will select these buildings. Okay, with the next polygon, I will select this bridge and these trees. As you see, I'm not super precise. Don't worry about that. Like so. We got still 2 to go. So in this polygon, I will select the water. Okay, and in the last one, I will select the rest of the image, which is the sky with the trees. The selection can overlap a bit. That's also not an issue. The important thing is that you cover the whole image with the selection. So again, in this polygon, we've got this church. In this polygon, we got the rest of the image, the rest of the buildings. In here, I've selected the bridge. In here, the water, and in here, the sky with the rest of the trees. So if you play it from the beginning, and we select the media out so that we don't see the polygons, and you hit play button, this is how it looks. Now if you go to edit page, to make it work, you need to overlap these two photos, these two clips, because if not, you will get something like this. So it's better to overlap them. And boom. Okay, this is it. Hope you like that. Thanks for watching till the end. Cheers and see you in the next one.